New this morning, a total failure. That's what former Arizona Governor Jan Brewer calls the state's overall response to this pandemic. And she's opening up about who she's holding responsible.
It's been a total disaster from the beginning, way back in February when you couldn't even get a test.
Who do you think is at fault here?
I think the administration is at fault.
Meaning Governor Ducey or?
Well, I believe that, the buck stops at the 9th floor. Sorry.
Former Arizona Governor Jan Brewer not holding back, criticizing current Governor Doug Ducey for his handling of the pandemic, citing issues like Monday's Phase 1B vaccine rollout is just the latest example. What do you think Governor Ducey should have done differently or should be doing differently?
Well, he obviously better have people on the ground that know what they're doing and a website that's working so people can access things and be ready to deliver what they promised.
A number of people reaching out to us with questions, concerns, and frustration after Maricopa County's vaccine website went down Monday. The county tweeting that officials were aware of the issues and working on a solution. 3 hours later, Governor Brewer says she and her husband were able to sign up for vaccines at State Farm Stadium. Governor Ducey announcing Friday the home of the Cardinals would be giving out the shots 24/7. He also announced Arizona was getting $65 million in funding from the CDC specifically for the vaccine effort. But Brewer says she wants to see more. Do you feel like the governor hasn't taken this pandemic seriously enough?
I don't think that he's been on top of it. I don't think that, he's trying to walking down the middle of people that believe that it is a pandemic and those that think that it's not serious, but he's got a lead. The bottom line is that we know our hospitals are far beyond capacity. We know that people are dying. We know that people are having long-term residual effects from all of this, and it needs to be addressed. And the only people that can address it are our elected officials, our government, our bureaucrats. And here in Arizona, it has been a total failure.
We reached out to the governor's office, and a spokesperson sent us a statement last night saying in part, quote, as COVID-19 cases continue to rise across the country, Arizona is no different. We're grateful for the public health officials who have worked tirelessly since the very first case of COVID-19 to expand testing, contact tracing, and enforcement of common sense mitigation strategies. Now, this comes hours after the governor held his State of the State address. To see the full transcript of that and also the full quote from the governor's office and more reaction from former Governor Jan Brewer, head to abc15.com.